Hey, this is a quick review of a simple Jack Wolfskin textile wallet. It's the Kariba Air in thunder blue color. It's 12 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. The design is pretty basic. It's a pretty slim wallet. It features an external wallet and an inside zip one. The inside compartment has a card slot, and that's about it. It also features a hook you can use to put it on your keychains or maybe on the shoulder bags that have a key hook inside them, so you won't lose it. The material is pretty nice to the touch, and the interior compartment, the one with the zip lock, seems to have some weatherproofing, so I think it can resist light splashing with water. That's about it. It's a pretty nice wallet, very cheap, about $10, pretty high quality. If you have any questions about it, use the comment section below.